Hey everybody, Justin Vodell here for Rich & Sons. Today I wanted to highlight just a couple things that are do-it-yourself parts that we have here for you guys. A lot of people come in and they have pleated shades that are getting old, especially the strings are getting worn out, they don't go up and down correctly anymore. But people want to know, can we just replace the strings? And the answer is yes, absolutely you can. We've got a couple different kits here for you. We've got white and we've got like a taupe color or a tan color as far as strings. It comes with all of the springs, comes with the rollers, it comes with your little spacers as well. We've got all those kits here for you, so it makes it a fairly easy job for you guys to do it. Obviously there's tons of YouTube videos that you can go on and watch exactly how to do those things as well. But we do have those kits here in stock, as well as lots and lots of other items that you can do it yourself type deals. And we'll try to highlight some of those things over the next few weeks for you guys, and that way you see what we've got. Thanks a lot.